What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, my headphones are charging right now, so yeah, I gotta wait on that. So the audio might be kind of trash. All right, but we about less than 2 minutes from market open. Let's see what happens today.
You already know my bias is for the upside, baby.
For the upside?
Yeah, I got a bullish bias today.
Oh no, I think we need a down day.
We had a down day.
When?
We had a down day.
When?
Dude, because last week, dude, we was all the way at 50. 750. We dropped all the way down to 450. That was a 300-point drop. You talking about a down day. Do we had 300 points?
Nah, we need a down day. Let's see.
Just don't get married to shorts. I mean, because the way this is looking bullish, dude.
It's looking bullish.
Structure is bullish. Structure is bullish, man.
Okay.
We're in an uptrend. I just don't want you to get married to your short buyer because you're gonna miss it. Dude, this is touching on how dude. SPY is up at 490, dude. You sit there and think that there's gonna be a red day when SPY is at 490. It gapped up overnight.
Okay. You
gapped up last night.
Don't get married to your position either.
Okay, dude. Let's see whose buy is gonna win today. But I think we do get an initial sell-off. I think we probably get the 6-0. If we don't bounce here at or around 630-ish, we don't bounce at 630-ish, then I can see us going down to 605. I can see us doing that. But I don't think the Bulls gonna get us up. Let's keep going.
All right. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, let's see what we get today.
Yeah, because ain't nobody taking a trade right now anyway.
Morning to everybody. Morning to the chat. Let's make this money today, man. Make this money. Let's see. Let's see if we got a low volume open today. Yeah, of course, we got a low volume open. Of course. Dude, it was worse than yesterday, dude. We're only at 100K in daily volume right now. It's worse than yesterday.
Yeah, that's terrible.
We got a SPY gap up SPY gapped up to 490 from 488, so it's a $2 gap. And we talked about that 490 yesterday before it happened. We talked about this. I was like, dude, SPY is going to 490. And it touched it. It touched 490.
Yeah.
Shoot, I should start talking about SPY more often because my SPY calls be hitting. But yeah, it hits 490. Price is testing 491 right now. So
Yeah, the people been screaming about 500 SPY for years now. So, that's what they want.
finally get it. Finally get it. Yeah, that's a daily candle. And you short that shit. You short SPY you want. And it got nothing but positive gamma. So the reason why that we got that big move up yesterday is because of the treasury. That's the reason why we got that big move up after the lunch.
Yeah, I read about that.
It came out better than expected. And don't ever say that. Well, let me rephrase it. Don't ever convince yourself that an algorithm is not the market maker, because as soon as that news came out, you saw all that buying and buying and buying and buying. It came out so quick, only an algorithm would be able to make purchases that fast. So.
Ready? Oh, you
Let me see how much my headphones at. Dang. Yeah, that ain't happening right now. I wait till these bad boys charge up. We are approaching the VWAP. Approaching VWAP. The volume does suck though.
Yeah, there ain't no volume, there's no energy. Yeah, I think we'll see if the Bears push it back down. I think we're gonna get this the entire week, man. We have AMD earnings after the bell today. Actually, honestly, I might just keep the calendar up. I just screenshot it, keep it up.
Yeah.
And so today we got AMD, Microsoft, and Alphabet reporting earnings after the bell today. So that's definitely going to shake up the market. Definitely going to shake up. I feel like whatever the market does during this session, I believe the earnings is going to actually reverse it. So we see that time and time and time and time again.
Yeah. Could see that. Okay. Apex hitting us with that lame, 71% off again and $35 resets. We don't want that. We want, give us the 90. The 81-day pass is cool. Give us 91-day pass. How about that? You know how many things how many evaluations they would sell?
Apparently they don't want to sell it. They want that 71% off and $30. Like, dude, what the fuck on out of here with that Apex? That ain't gonna sell. Nobody want no $30 reset.
Yeah, gotta get the people what they want. People.
Like they don't like their events.
We already know they the casino, so got to give the people. Let's see if we can come back today. Yesterday, I was just all effed up. All types of messed up. Yesterday. That low volume in the beginning, terrible price action in the beginning of the session. Then we finally get a breakout after a couple hours. It's like, man, I do want to deal with that. We missed the old NQ. Got rips and dips out the gate NQ.
We missed the old NQ. Straight from the soul NQ. Well, I sacrificed my account yesterday, so you should do good in your you should do good in your PA. I sacrificed because you know how vengeful the NQ can be. So I sacrificed that account for you, bro. I kept trading after the bill, and I passed it. And you know what was so infuriating was I took that long and dipped down. I hit daily. I hit the maximum drawdown because I was full port as always, just for it to go to my intended target and further. I was like, man, how does the NQ, like, how does she do this? How does she know exactly where you get in at? Knows where to stop you out and then go.
Yeah, I know, right?
Because she did not have to do that. And I know exactly where I got hit too. So yesterday it was like 2:30. No, it was before that because we got this big breakout because it was consolidating in the range. Yeah, it was at 12:42. I got in. I was going for that long because I was like, dude, this is probably about to go. So I got in that long, and then right at 2:42, it reached a high of 603, and then dumped. And that's exactly where that trailing drawdown got me. And after that trailing drawdown got me, it fired up, rising to 21 EMA. And if it wasn't a player count that I was just playing around with to have fun with yesterday, I would have been upset because that was crazy.
Yeah.
That was absolutely crazy. That run up, I needed this run up last week when I made the mistake in thinking that the market was going to go higher. And we got that big drop and stayed at 750. I needed that move back up last week, not today. Yeah, so price might actually reject here. It may reject here. We're at the bottom of the range right now. We got some lower lows. We got a downward trend going right now, so we'll see. It might get to 690, possibly reject there, maybe. But I wouldn't take a short there.
You wouldn't take a short where? 690?
Yeah. I mean, it's probably a good short, honestly. It's probably a good short. It's just that I don't want to short. I mean, we're in a bull market. It seems like the bears, I mean, you got this one big leg down. You got two big leg downs. And the bears had to work for those legs. Look how easy the bulls got their money, and the bears had to work. Nah, I ain't trying to be a bear in this market at all. I'll just wait for the long opportunity.
Yeah, well, I'd take profit at 690. And it looks.
You say you would take profit at 690?
Yeah, it looks to be like that's where they're trying to take it to. Yeah, obviously the Bulls want VWAP, but they want to take it higher, higher, higher.
Oh, you're already in a position right now?
But it's looking like it might drop right here, though. Drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're at the underbelly of this range right here, so I wouldn't be surprised if it drops, but then at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if it gets bounced right back up. I'm looking for a long opportunity around 634, 635 in that area, 640 to 630 range. If the price gets in that range, that's where I'm going to be looking for a long.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not fighting it. I'm not fighting low volume, so even if you are correct, It's gonna probably be 2 hours before you get to the division field or your target field. We're at 100K daily volume right now. 110K. That is low bet volume. Literally.
Globex, baby.
Yeah, I mean, this shortage, yeah, this is not surprising. Not surprising that they sold it here. Like I said, we're still at the bottom of this range. They sold it exactly at the bottom of this range at 84. VWAP's at 890 right now. So. Yeah, I'll be looking for that 630. That's what I'm looking for. 640, 630 in between there. Yeah.
Higher, higher, higher.
Oh.
Yeah, this look like it's gonna try to push down before trying to go up.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. You see that down? You see that channel? We're in a down channel going lower lows, lower highs, downward channel. We haven't broken out of it yet. So until then, we just have to wait for a long position because, like I said, I'm not going short. I don't care how good the setup is. I'm not going short.
So I'm not going short.
Nope. No shorts for this guy.
No flex zone. No flex zone. Alright, they say you got an echo on your mic. It might be because of my my headphones. They aren't charged, so I got you coming out of the sound coming out of my desktop. And it's probably not the best quality. Well, I know it's not the best quality. I know that for sure. No flex zone. No flex zone. They know about it. They know about it. I think I'm just gonna kill this one here. Get a little bit more P&L. I want to kill it at, oh, they got a 230 block up. Oh, I can't even see on here because of the 685, 230. They want to take profit at 685. Be my guess. Be my guess. Be my guess.
Okay. Do I sound better? Or you said that I'm coming out of your desktop or something like that?
Yeah, you're coming out of my desktop right now until my headphones charge up. I forgot to throw them on the charger yesterday. No flex zone. No flex zone. I gotta get these Apex accounts ready to go.
Conspiracy theory. It's interesting that I find that very interesting. That's interesting. We all know that the NFL sports basically run off that script now. We know that. Not even a secret no more. It's interesting that, I mean, isn't the Chiefs going to the Super Bowl?
Yeah, Chiefs and Niners.
Chiefs and Niners, huh? And all of a sudden, what? Taylor Swift starts dating someone from the Chiefs, and now the Chiefs is now this popular team, and now all of a sudden they're good enough to go to the damn Super Bowl.
Well, they've been popular.
The last time the Chiefs?
They've been popular. It's just, I don't know. I don't like the Chiefs anymore. Like, they were cool, I guess, at first, but Mahomes is like a clown to me. That dude's like, I don't know. I think he's like, to me, he wants to be Brady so bad, but it's like, just let your game do the talking. You don't gotta. He kind of low key arrogant, but
yeah. Last time the Chiefs played in the Super Bowl was 1970.
nah, they were in a Super Bowl like a couple years ago.
You sure? You sure? Because I looked on Google and it said 1970, dude.
Google's wrong. They were just there a couple years ago. I can't remember which year. Let me see.
Well, yeah, like I said, I find it interesting that all of a sudden now they're good enough to hit the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Now that Taylor Swift and the Swifties are giving them energy now.
It says this is their 4th appearance in 5 years. This makes their 4th appearance in 5 years. But F the Chiefs. What did that price get to?
Oh, of course.
Dang, yo, we can't crack 685? 685?
Man, you see all that liquidity right there? And you see we're trending down? I mean, if the Bulls can break it, dude, that's stopping high, dude.
No flex zone. No flex zone. They know about it. They know about it. Wanna go.
So, what is it, 2011? Last time they've been to the Super Bowl?
No, I think it was like 20.
And Google's just giving me all kind of results, dude. I just typed in last time Chiefs went to Super Bowl. They're giving me all these dates. Like, what the? Like, what's up? What's up with that? Google? What's up with that? What's up with that?
And then this says 6-time in the Super. Oh, their total 6-time, and their 4th appearance in 5 years.
That's interesting. Why can't I find this information? Why is this? Dude, when was the last time they've been to the Super Bowl? It should be simple. It should be simple.
That should be simple information.
Yeah, like, you know, these days, 1970, 2011. Like, what the?
Yeah, oh, say that was last year? I thought that was like, I don't know. Was that was last year? Yeah, I know the brothers were, I remember the brothers playing, the Kelsey brothers. And I didn't know that was last year. See how much I pay attention. I thought that was like 2 years ago. I don't know, but my sense of time's all messed up.
Yeah. I know exactly how you feel about that. Sometimes, like right now, I think today's like Friday. Like sometimes it feels like Friday. Sometimes it feels like Thursday. Sometimes it feels like 2011. It's, the time is all over the place. Man. The Chiefs are playing their 3rd Super Bowl in the last 4 years. Their previous championship came in 2020 when they defeat the 49ers. Oh, so this is a rematch?
You said 2020? Yeah, I think that's the one I think I'm talking about. That 2020 appearance.
Okay, I take that back. Google, I don't understand why I could not find this information on Google. It's so simple. All I had to say was 2020, but it gave me all these weird dates. Make me look foolish. Okay. But yeah, I found it interesting.
F the Chiefs.
Swifties now, every Swiftie is a Chiefs fan now because Taylor Swift is dating whoever guy in that team. The Super Bowls, the Chiefs.
F the Chiefs.
All right. You know the market is slow. We ain't talking about the market. Like, dude, what's the?
I know.
Like, man, it's like, dude.
I've been in this position for like 5 hours. It feel like now, and I'm just like,
Are you still long?
Yeah.
Dude, this looks like it's gonna break down, man. It looks like it's about to break down.
If it dies, it dies. If he
Where are you willing to get out of?
He dies. I wanted VWAP, but now VWAP doesn't push lower. Like, dang.
No, I'm talking about.
Come on, ES.
Down. You said where?
Oh, if it pushes down,
Yeah.
I ride it down and scale in, baby.
Yeah, I think a good scale limit would be that 630 entry. Like, I think that's where the bulls are going to definitely come in.
We can't
and
handle.
price gets down to 630.
We can't handle 630.
Well, that's how I was like, dude.
We need to push up to the VWAP.
You want to cut the position now and wait, or rush it?
You know, I could cut the position. I could cut it because it's just been rejecting hard up here.
Yeah. I mean, it's obvious, man. But well, let me rephrase that. That's what it's looking like right now. It's looking like a classic. I mean, technically we're in a trading range. And it seems like they're trying to go for that liquidity at 630. That's what they're trying to go to. So.
Wanna go at a, they know about it. Yeah, 84, 85, so that's a good spot. Five minutes looking boo-boo.
You know, every time I try to convince myself, like, oh man, just trade your XFA, man. Trade it. All I gotta do is trade price action. And every time when the market opens, it just reminds me of, yeah, this is why I'm sticking to this rule. And this price action is horrible. This is horrible. Horrible price action.
It is, and that's been really throwing me off lately. Because you would expect it to be crazy volatility, especially on a heavy earnings week, news weeks. I feel like they just sitting this mess out.
Yeah.
Sitting it out. Big money, because big money moves markets. I feel like they just sitting this thing out. There's a lot of red on the boards right now, though. SPY at 491. They want 500.
What SPY is at 4.
Dang! Since when did the Qs get to 427? I didn't even. I've not been paying attention to the Qs. 427. Jeez. Dang, Qs. Actually, it's been higher in the past. Yeah, that's wild. 429.
Remember that one day where the Qs performed better than the SPY?
Yeah.
Dude, that actually market history. That does not happen often.
Yeah.
Which I don't get, but I don't get it. Like, how the hell does the Qs not outperform SPY? How?
Yeah, I don't know.
The NASDAQ kills the, yeah, go ahead.
No, I didn't say anything. I don't know. We talking about this news? News? Talking about practice? Practice. Talking about the game. You over here talking about practice. Jolts, job openings.
Yeah, we got some heavy news about to come out. That consumer and that Jolt. Consumer confidence and Jolt. A deadly combination. People ain't got no jobs, and consumer confidence is.
You would think consumer confidence usually has been up, though. Surprisingly, you would think it'd be down, but
you said what?
I said them consumer confidence reports have been actually pretty positive. The last few ones I've seen, which is crazy. Crazy to think about, because that shit might blow. They usually drop. I feel like they usually drop before the news drop. Try to drop price. I mean, yeah, it's usually like, okay, if they dropping it, I feel like the news might try to pump it, and if they pump it, the news will probably drop it, something like that.
Yeah, I would agree. Definitely agree. That's how they like to do it.
But let's see. We'll see what happens.
Because I don't think today's gonna be a red day. You're gonna have no red day when SPY is up, freaking and gapped up. Like you ain't gonna have no red day. And it looks like you're about to push hard. Nah, you have to find like a good long position. I think the long is right here. The way that the structure is looking. Oh, look at that. That's a bull flag, is it not? Is that not a bull flag? Oh, wow.
I mean, I ain't want to. I was looking at that the whole time. I didn't want to really say nothing, but it's forming that. It looks like it's forming that on all these time frames.
Yeah, it does, don't it? That looks like a blow. Dude, look at all those stops above 6.8. Yeah, there's no problem. If it runs lower, it's definitely running higher. Look at all them stops built up. They're stepping down, trending down. It's gonna probably get a break. We'll see in 3 minutes. You already know how the news about to go.
Yeah. No flex zone. No flex zone. They'll probably actually blast that. They know about it. They know about it. What it goes. 8 o'clock, 7:10, 5:10. So hold on. So we kind of just dip down. Okay. I mean, the 4-hour does look it's bearish, but I don't know. 1 hour is trying to push back to glory. Gonna take it to the glory.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for that entry, man. I'm gonna look for it. I mean, if we get a pop, I'm gonna hate not being a part of this, but I'm going to wait for that 634. Like if it breaks 640 and it gets to 630, but if it doesn't get all the way to 630 and it gets like to 635, 634, I'm getting it. I'll split the baby. I'll get it halfway because I ain't gonna miss it. Because I think it's gonna be violent. I think it's gonna drop. If it does drop, it's gonna be violent and it's gonna be bought right back up.
Mm-hmm.
T minus 1 minute. 60 seconds. I think somebody was talking about the ES saying that it hasn't really even touched its all. Like it hasn't even retested its all-time highs yet. I'm sitting there thinking like, damn, I feel sorry for the ES fans. You don't get the retest high, nothing.
Can I talk my shit again? Woo!
Yeah, let's look. Let's see what happens. Let's see.
Can I talk my shit again?
You know, this dude, I ain't gonna lie, this area right here looking real good right here.
To go long?
Looking real good. Yeah, it's looking real good to go long. This area right here.
Even if I don't hit again, dog, are you fucking kidding? What we looking like?
Okay.
Boom. Yeah.
All right, here it comes. Here's that entry I was talking about.
Get your entry.
It's gonna be probably quick. Shit, they did it already, I think. They did it already.
So, okay, we have more
38.
More job openings than predicted, and
It got to 38.
And consumer confidence was a little bit down, slightly down.
Okay, here's the entry. Okay, I'm in.
Yeah, let me get these things going. Can I talk my shit again, even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you kidding?
I got my stop underneath that swing low at 615. Or actually, I'm gonna move it down to 608. Okay, so we got that touch 30.
Dog, are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, did you get out of your long position?
Oh yeah, I'm out. Can I talk my shit again, even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you fucking kidding?
I'm gonna probably
49 points. Well, that's, yeah.
Okay. Alright, there we go.
Oh,
Alright, so I'm in long at my first contract is at 6:30.
uh-huh.
I might add, depending on if it's this up here right here. Yeah, I think they hold it here. I'm gonna try to get a retest of that high.
And I should have been in these other accounts though. Had them ready to fade. That's what I should have did.
You know what? I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this position, man. I'm gonna retest the top of this range at 656. I'm gonna have a runner contract going back up to 700. That's how I'm gonna play. That's how I'm playing this. My stop is at 615. I'll probably put it at 610 just in case. A 20-point stop, 2 contracts. That's about like about a $600 loss if I lose. But currently I'm up about 10 points. So
try to inverse myself.
Why?
Like, this looks like it's gonna go down. I go long.
Nah, dude. Go long, man. Buy is up, dude. Buy is up.
Buy the dips. Sell V spike. Sell V spike. Dang, so many people. Dang! Oh yeah, that was just a news stop run. That just ran a bunch of stops. Dang.
Yeah.
It's been, well, that's like the total stops, but that was like 500 stops got ran off of that.
Yeah, man, you gotta trust these charts, man. You gotta trust them, man. Trust the charts, not your heart, man. Because your heart is lying. When it comes to the market, at least. Yeah, you don't want to inverse. You don't want to go and inverse no damn 5. 5 is basically the market on the option side.
Can I talk my shit again, even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you fucking kidding? Since 7 o'clock at night, this thing been dropping. Dog, are you fucking kidding? Can I talk my shit again, even if I don't hit again?
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Who caught that move with me, man? Who caught it? Who caught that move with me? Who's in this with me?
29, 32. Nah, I think this gonna push further down. Drop, leg, drop.
Man, dude. Dude, you want this to be bearish. I mean...
No, I don't, but I'm just... I just see... It looks like... I don't know. Maybe a 590 push, 600. 590, 600 push. Let's see if it... I mean, it had to hold the lows, but... Cannot talk about it again.
This is not bearish. This is not bearish price action.
Even if I don't hit again, dog, are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah. So I got in at 630. I scaled in when I saw like around 625-ish. When I saw that candle, so my average entry is around like 629, 629-ish. So I got two contracts. I got my first contract at 666. I got a run contract at 700, baby. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it.
Even if I don't hit again, dog, are you freaking kidding?
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hey, if you got that 25 entry, you got 25 points. 25 points. That's 25 points. I'm talking about. Yeah, I think I talked about this this entry last night. So I'm trying to do something different with my channel. I want to do like a weekly, like I want to just add value outside of the stream. So I've been trying to think of ways where it can be beneficial to me and beneficial to you. And I've come to the conclusion that if I do daily recaps of the news, earnings, game plan, and trades that I took, I think that will be very valuable. And this entry right here is something that I talked about last night, something I was looking for. I was looking for this entry specifically in this range because I just knew, I was like, with this range or this trading range, they've been testing this trading range a lot. So I knew if they touch this trading range again, there was going to be a bullish reaction. And we got that bullish reaction. Now we are 660 is the bottom of that trading range, so you probably might see some resistance there, maybe.
Can I talk much again, even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you freaking kidding? Okay. You know what I hate? I hate Apex's process to all these signatures and signature BS and all this other crap. Can I talk my shit again, even if I don't hit again? Dog, are you freaking kidding? Do. Dang, CL. Dang, baby.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Dang.
Man, I saw that. Every time I look at CL, it's like a cycle. I look at her, I'm like, damn, baby, I wish I could trade you. And I try to convince myself, yeah, just throw a couple contracts on her, see where she takes you. And then as I go to do that, I think, but what about the NQ?
Exactly. What about the NQ? What about her? Can't forget about her.
He requires a lot of my attention. And that first target is about to get filled. The first target is about to get filled. I got my target at 666, so I'm 10 points away from my first target getting filled. And that's all right, man. So I'm starting to see something that I don't necessarily like with the SPY flow, but we'll see what happens. You might actually get your red name. You might actually get it. But they're not sweeps. They're sweeps, but they're not. They're actually, no, I apologize. No, I apologize. They're selling these puts. They're selling puts at 490. They're selling puts at 490. Huh, that's interesting. I wonder what that means. Why are they selling puts at 490?
Uh-oh. Doodum, 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 doodum. Boodum, doom, doom. Boodum, 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 boodum. Boodum, doom, doom. Doodum, doodum, doodum. Boodum, boodum, doodum. Doodum, 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 doodum.
All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Target's about to get filled, baby. Target's about to get filled. Target's about to get filled.
Should have put that right there. Put that order there.
Typical NQ behavior.
Typical NQ behavior is correct.
Instead of going up until my target is doing all this bullshit. And 6 points away from doing it. So looks like the Bears are selling at this level. Let me see why. Let me see. So it seems like they're trying to hold off 660 for some reason. I like the bottom of the range. Yeah, the bottom of the range. Feel like if I move my position down 6 points, it's gonna go to 70 just to.
Let me see something.
Yeah, this looks like it's about to get shot right back down, honestly. It's looking like it's about to get shot down. Yep, they're sweeping 490 puts. They're selling them. Yeah, they're selling puts right now. So on SPY.
Is it a crime? Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Is it a crime? Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Attention. The deepest ocean. No! No! Oh, phooey. Is it a crime? Do-do-do. 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 Deepest ocean. Do-do-do. Let me see where he's at. Is it a crime? Dang, all that time and it's only at 50%? That's kind of whack. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. You're funny. Do-do-do. 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 I'm in my Sade mood right now. Do-do-do. 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 Headphones only at 50% charge. That's wild. They've been sitting here for what? Over an hour now? Alright, let's look at what we got here. Well, let me go in here and do this then. Yahoo. I think I'm gonna wait until Apex does their 81 day pass again, and I'm gonna pick up some more accounts. I'll pick up some more. You know, you gotta fund the collection plate. All right, log in here.
Yeah, I gotta fund the collection plate. I did my part yesterday. I paid my $40.
Pass it.
I paid my $40.
Pass the collection plate.
I will say this, man. I really enjoy trading with Apex on its eval side. It's really no pressure. The only thing I have to worry about is that trailing drawdown. And it really just adds to the fun, honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest.
Uh-huh.
I guess, the thrill of, my target hit, or my trailing drawdown here. Which one will win? Which one will win? I don't have to worry about drawdown, or I don't have to worry. Well, I don't worry, which it sounds crazy, but I'm not worried about the drawdown. My focus is on the trailing drawdown, making sure that my drawdown's not getting trailed. But the drawdown itself, it's like I'm not worried about that at all.
Yeah, Apex. Look, man, Apex could keep the trail and drawdown and all that. If they just came out with a better payout structure, man, they'd be #1 on the east side. #1. So 660 was my opportunity. My op. 660.
It's starting to look like maybe I should have took that profit at 660.
660 was.
That's what it's starting to look like.
Dang, that was.
I think it breaks through this, or I hope it breaks through it.
I mean, it's looking on this little small time frame. It's looking good, I guess. It is.
Yeah, I mean, we're still technically in an uptrend on this.
Yeah, it's stair-stepping up.
Uptrending. Yeah.
Stair-stepping.
Stair-stepping up, but the slow price action, man, this is BS. And the SPY did lose about $1 or $2 value just now, so we'll see, man. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, it seems like, I mean, you can see the aggressive buying by the bulls. The bears are trying to sell it, and you see the aggressive buying. So I believe I'm on the right side. And what I mean by on the right side, because I'm already in profit, it's just that I want my target. I feel that my target can get hit.
Yeah. Deepest ocean.
About like 30 points in profit right now. But I want my target, dude.
Where's your target?
And it was at 66, but I mean, if it gets past that, if this doesn't drop here, this is going higher than that. So I did move it up. I did move it up. Yeah, I think I moved it to the top, around the top of the range, around like 680. So I mean, I feel like if it gets to that 66 target, it's going higher. So I don't want to short myself. I just have to be in a position a little bit longer. Hopefully that doesn't bite me in the ass. Yeah, the top step, you gotta be greedy, man. Every point matters, man. Every point matters. Every point matters.
With top step,
you don't know.
It's with Apex. With Apex, you gotta take your profits and run.
Yeah. Hopefully this is not like a minor double top right here at 660. Yeah. It's starting to look like it's about to perk up. But the 200 EMA might get in the way of my dreams. It might get in the way of my dreams. I'm definitely about to sell that VWAP. I ain't playing with VWAP. If it gets past that 200 EMA, I'm selling my position at VWAP. I'm not playing. I'll sell and reposition at VWAP.
Tell me.
Because I think everybody is going to, or I'm going to rephrase that. I feel that majority of the market participants, if the price does get up there, that's where they're going to sell the position. You're going to see a sell off at that price.
This action. I think I'm gonna just. Look at that flush. Flush.
Yeah, down there. Almost like to break even. And I gave back all that. And get it all back.
That girl wanna give it up. That girl wanna give it up.
Yeah, I think got to be double top right there.
Yeah. I'm just dang JC. Oh, you got clapped, JC. Dang. Dang.
Okay, yeah, the way they just got bought back up, okay, I'm confident now. They just took out that liquidity, I'm confident then. I'm gonna actually put this up a little bit higher. I'm confident then, the way that just got bought up. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. That's the one thing about trading with a small position, and you gotta have to withstand the break even, like price coming back to your break even.
Yeah.
But yeah, that the Bulls buying it back up here, especially at this level, like price is continuously coming back to the 630, 625 level and buying it up, kind of like what happened yesterday. It's exactly almost what happened yesterday. Yeah, if we get a strong push outside this range, I actually might take all my profits at 700 and not short myself.
Yeah. We in another range after that drop. Like you said, that underbelly at 60 is respectance 660. But I don't know, my boy. I feel like if the 4 hour sticks it out, then it's going down. But if it reverses, then obviously I don't know. 610. This is moving average on the hourly. We'll see. We shall see.
The Bulls got to prove. I mean, the Bears got to prove it to me. Break this level convincingly, and then I'll be like, all right, y'all got it. Y'all keep touching this level, and the Bulls like, thanks for your liquidity. Thanks for the liquidity. The market doesn't move without you. Thanks for them stop. thanks for that market liquidity, baby. Yeah, I'm confident in that. Yeah, look at that pattern. Yep. I'm confident. Confident in that. Get a break at this level right here, baby. Get a break at this level. I will, like I said, I am taking some of this off that V-line. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. And then, I mean, I can see it play out if it does get the V-WAP, if we do get a break, if we do get it closed, then the top of this range can be used as support. I can see that happening. It looks like the Bears are trying to sell it off at 200 right now. Man, market. I feel like you ain't got no energy or nothing. Market, what's up? What's up, BQ? You ain't got no life, baby. You ain't got no life.
Yeah, ain't it? I don't know. Been doing that the past couple days, last week. It's I don't know. I don't like it. Whatever it is, I don't like it. It's not like it used to be. You open up the gates at New York Open You get that whipsaw, scalps is paying. I missed that. No, but I gotta adjust.
Scouts, you gotta be a professional trader now. You gotta know what the hell you're doing at this point.
I gotta
know what you're doing.
Gotta adjust and stop reminiscing on the past, on the good old days of NQ. I gotta adjust to her
new ways.
Her ranging ways now in the mornings.
Okay, yeah, dude, they are okay. Now they're sleep. Okay, now they're buying puts. Now they're buying puts and stop. Now they're buying them. Now they're buying. All right, so we got to break over 200. Should I take it at 66? That was my original. No, I'm taking that VWAP. I'm taking that VWAP. I'm not cheating myself. They ain't gonna stop at the 200. They're gonna go to the VWAP.
You're not gonna cheat yourself.
Nah, I'm not gonna cheat myself. They're gonna VWAP.
That's what they want you to think. No.
200. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't take profits at the 200 EMA after I say y'all ain't gonna do that. Okay. Yeah, they are buying puts now. They are buying. I mean, they were selling puts at one point, and now they're buying the put. So, we'll see. We'll see. Right now, the IV on SPY puts is at 10, so they're buying them cheap. All they need is the volatility spike. That's all they need to make to be profitable in the trade because they're naked puts. All they need is a volatility push, like a quick drop in SPY, have the volatility go up. They can be profitable, close out the position if that's what they choose to do. But
Oops. Whoopsie.
I guess they did take profits at the 200 evening.
Oh, Sherm, you need to take your profits. How much are you up? It's up.
So how much am I up?
Yeah.
Like 2K. I did scale in, so I don't know exactly. My average moved up to 640, so I got 3 contracts right now. I got 2 that's up. I got in at 630 and 25, so that's about 30 points, so that's 1,400, and I scaled in, so about like 2K.
Nice. Tell me, is it a crime? Do-do-do. 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 I still want you. Is it a crime that I still want NQ? Even after she does me dirty, it is a crime.
Baby, just give me VWAP before you do all this. Give me VWAP.
All right, what are y'all risk managers doing right now?
All right, let's see what she does, man. It looks like she's going for it. It looks like she's going for it. I wonder if she's gonna stop short of these fucking drop.
That'd be dirty. Yeah, JC.
That'd be typical NQ behavior.
Oh yeah, that's why you gotta. If you got a target at a certain point, you gotta like undershoot it a little bit, cause she will do that. She will do that. JC, be careful out there, man. Don't blow no PAs, bro. Don't blow the PA.
Hey man, it happens, man. Especially with Apex, dude. It happens.
It does happen.
You be like
a lot.
Yeah. It happens.
Just be careful, bro.
Okay. We'll do whatever, man. Whatever. I know you're going. I know this what you're going to do. You're not going to give me the target I really want. Until I get out the position, and that's when you get there. All right, baby. I see you. Okay, I see you. I see you. Keep pushing.
She torturing you right now, waiting on that target.
Yeah, she definitely is, man.
Torture.
Look at that angel, man. Come on, dude. What?
All right, where we at, bro? Where we at? Let's check on the status of these real quick. Tell me something good, baby. Dang, no way. That only went up 10% since. I mean, I think that could last the stream, but probably, maybe not. Hold on, let me.
No. Whoa. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. Whatever. Wow. I'm not even surprised, man. I'm not even surprised.
What?
What the NQ just did. I'm not even surprised. I'm not surprised. Well, my old target got hit. That got hit. Dude, no way.
Okay, 306.
Yeah. It looks like they're trying to push it down now. They're trying to push it down. Yeah, okay. Well. Okay. All right.
Yeah, exactly how it was yesterday. After a big move, then choppiness, and then the big move finally broke out while we were sitting here. What was that? What time did that happen? I can't even recall, but probably
that pump happened around like 11:30.
Yeah, it was towards the end. Yeah. Which was just sick, reckless behavior from the NQ.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so as soon as Apex get in, I'm gonna do like, yeah, pump from 11. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, if I ever say that I'm gonna trade my XFA during high ball of the week, tell me no, because this is crazy, man. This is crazy, man.
Yeah. Where's
It's barely moving. I mean, it's moving, but it's not moving for me.
where's
30 points here and there.
Yeah, it's just going back in that range, man. F it. Let's see. This 60% just gonna have to last. All right, let's get back in the game, baby. Okay, it made it to 70 now. Whatever. All right, and now let's fix this real quick. All right.
Daddy, it's my baby up. Daddy, it's my baby up. Come on. Daddy being mean. You just wanted your daddy to hold you. Come on. Daddy, I want hold.
All right, baby. All right. Watch for this 30 level here. That's where he got bought the piss up. That mess got ran up. 45. Okay, hourly down 31, 30 points. 31, can you do something for me? All right. All right. Okay, NQ, I gave you the sacrifices you desired. Now I need you to be on my side. I gave her sacrifices. Dang, 4 times from the high. Yeah, I'll respond to that. All right. I don't know, Sherm, if you still here. Oh, he's muted. All right. Never mind. Cool. I feel like, should I try to catch this long here? Or should I wait for the move to finish? I feel like this is going to be set up for a long opportunity. But no, this is probably the short that I wanted earlier. But I was just in a bad spot. I should have shorted 660 area. Should have shorted up there. Or do we pop back up? I need to look at it from different angles. Look at it from different vantage points. 645, 23. $488 on SPY. SPY, yeah, SPY's sitting at 490 right now. 490.50. All right, let me check book map. Heavy liquidity here at 620.
All right, man.
What's up?
Nothing.
Still
my position is still at break. It went all the way back to break even. I didn't take the profit.
That's crazy.
I'm learning. I'm trying not to be as so stubborn, but I probably just went back to break even. And at this point, even if I do get the target, it don't even mean nothing. Cause how many times it went back to break even, dude? It don't mean nothing.
This thing been ranging, bro. Just been ranging.
Yeah.
Ranging the heck out of today, like.
Man, just like figure it out, dude. Like you ain't tricking nobody. We know what you want to do. Just do it. We're not going down. So stop trying to.
Well, let me say that it's getting bought up.
Yeah.
Every time it tries to go down, it's getting bought up. 5 minutes.
Bulls ain't gonna let this go. We just had some good news yesterday. They are not letting this go.
Yeah.
And Google's gonna probably have some really good earnings because of their AI and stuff like that. I don't know about AMD because Intel just had bad earnings, so people might be kind of scared of AMD earnings this afternoon because of how bad Intel did.
When does Intel ever have good earnings? I don't know why Intel gets so disrespected in the chip market. They've been around for so long, but they
were the first. They were the first. They just got comfortable.
Yeah, they stopped. Yeah, it's like kind of like Apple. They stopped innovating, being the first to do things, but Apple just has that cult following.
Yeah, you don't need nothing else. If you got a cult following, you don't need nothing else after that. Just add a new camera. Add a new camera.
Just throw on another camera.
Yeah, I've seen the Samsung cameras. I mean, man, dude, those cameras are nice. I mean, how the hell can you take a whole picture of the moon and zoom in and get all the damn details unless they're using artificial intelligence to kind of fill in those blanks and stuff like that?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, because you see, the same way that Photoshop and everybody and all other generative applications they use that generative fill. I wonder if Samsung is doing the same thing to add in the details when you take a picture of the moon and stuff like that. Because those details are insane, dude. That's insane.
You seen it up close and personal?
But you said what?
I said you seen it up close and personal, hands on, or just like a demo?
About?
The camera quality.
Oh, I know. I've seen it on the videos.
Oh, okay.
On YouTube, where people would zoom in on the moon with their iPhone and then with their Samsung, and it's better quality. I just recently saw a video where someone was looking through somebody's window with their Samsung camera, and it wasn't even all the way zoomed in. I was like, yo, what? They was on a cliff zooming in on someone's house looking through the damn window. And I'm like, how? No way, dude. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
And you thought that they were right there, and then they zoom out and they're on top of a damn cliff. Samsung got it in the camera game. They got it.
They got it. We get a break here. Do we get a break here?
Hit that 9 EMA, and it rejected it. Right there at 39.
But yeah, I was just thinking about that this morning about Intel. I was like, dude, how can you be Intel? Be the leader, be the first people to do it, be on top, and allow companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and all these other chip companies not only surpass you, but their names hold at a higher standard in people's mind than yours does. To me, I couldn't accept something like that, and I wouldn't even let that happen. I mean, I think they got comfortable because they figured that, well, because their Intel, their chips is basically in almost every Windows computer. That's probably why they're thinking, like, as long as our chips are inside Microsoft computers, we're good.
Yeah.
That's probably where they got comfortable at, honestly.
Yeah.
So yeah, we don't need to innovate. We don't need to innovate. We don't have to work hard.
We don't need to innovate anymore. We're the number one. Number one on the west side.
Okay. Well, I think we're gonna get this chop until
Chop.
I guess.
Drake.
Wow.
Drake.
Hmm.
Nah. This is I don't know yet. I don't know. 'Cause I feel like yeah, I was about to say, Mohammed, I ain't do the right thing. I rushed this. Yeah, like you gotta be talking about Alfred. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. That's how I like it. Apparently.
85 points down right now on the market. But that could be, I mean, they could always push that though. It doesn't really mean much down here. Okay, let's see. 15, 5, and 12. That's the 5 minute. Maybe.
It'd be real awesome, Bulls, if y'all just, hold this, buy back up and hold it. It'd be really awesome. But I will say it's my fault. I should have took at least that profit at 66 at my original target, but I figured it would push more. Dude, it always seems that if you get out early, that's when it pushes. If you get out too soon, or you don't get out soon enough, that's when it drops. All right. Well, you did it.
Yeah, I see that too on the hourly. I do see that. Right now, I'm just at this point. I'm just shooting for. I mean, I want to be in. I want to be. See, I know I should have just trusted that 4 hourly and got in at a higher spot. But right now, I'm just shooting for basically break even. Basically.
Where's your break even? Oh no, you long or short?
Long. Shoot, if I was short, I'd be sitting pretty. I'd be like, yeah, let's go, baby. I'm just shooting for, I want to actually get over my first contract if I can. If I can, and that would be nice. Give me my.
Yeah, so
That's ugly.
I mean, I'm along with you, baby. I mean, almost. Well, actually, it didn't come close to my stop. My stop is at 611. But yeah. I mean, basically, I gave up all those profits, looking for 10 more points. I have thought about trailing, like doing like a candle trailer strategy, but man, with the NQ and her random retest, I don't know about that. Because I mean, that's the one thing that I will give Apex. If I were to learn anything from trading Apex, giving up all that profits, that's not a good look, man. It's not a good look. It's not a good look at all. But in the moment, you don't know that it's gonna do all this. You don't know it's gonna just completely drop. The bullish momentum just stalls out and just stops.
Since we kicked it. Yeah. I think I should. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Yes, I gotta pay attention, Brandon. I clicked the wrong button. Oh gosh. All right, let me take that off too. Okay. Over here pushing wrong buttons. Just want that EMA touch.
Oh, you got out of your position? You got out?
I cut. I think no, I accidentally added to 4 when I was in 3, and then I just cut 2.
I mean, that was probably good, man. It looks like it's getting some life now. I think they ran the liquidity that they needed.
I still don't like it
And
though.
looks like they're gonna probably. This is a double bottom, dude. I'm surprised you cut it. This is a double bottom.
I still don't like it. I still don't like it.
You don't like the double bottom?
I don't like what's going on right now. All right. You know what? I'll just take that. It's Apex, man. It's Apex.
Oh yeah. Okay, my bad.
You can't.
My bad. I thought you was trading something up. Yeah, you gotta take your profits with Apex. That's why me and Apex. The only account with Apex that I'm totally comfortable in is the 300K, because I can basically trade the way I want without too much of a punishment.
Right. I mean, 7,500 in drawdown is a lot.
It is.
That's a lot. If you lose in $7,000, almost $8,000, then yeah.
Dude, and then you can work your way out of any position. I just know that on the PA side, I'm just gonna get greedy as I always do. Because what it is about Apex with me is, man, I don't have to be so strategic about my entries and exits. I don't have to be. I can make 20K just scalping with heavy size and with a lot of drawdown. I just have to be right a couple of times, and I'm already up 10K. I mean, and I remember that last year when we was trading, I think I had maybe about $500 left in drawdown, 500, and then price found a bid, and I was already in like 25 contracts, already in 25. And I was like, well, I guess I was just being over ambitious. 25 contracts in, and then they start straight hitting all my targets.
I mean, if I think about it from a Okay. If I think about it from oh, 100%. That's cool. It's all right. But if you
Do we
trade, I'm
triple bottom?
trading five
You said what?
accounts. I said I'm trading 5 accounts, just under $500. I mean, if I go from that angle and then just add the total up, that's a decent day. But the the addict in me. I'm not even gonna say the trader in me. The NQ addict in me is like, nah, that ain't enough. You got to keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, the NQ is one hell of a drug, man. She is one hell of a drug. She knows she
Yeah,
is too.
yeah.
Dude, I can't help you, dude. I can't help you. I mean, what more can you do for your kids? You put on their favorite TV show, make sure they're comfortable, make sure they have a comfortable environment to grow up in, and they still cry. What can you do for them? They're crying like you beat them or something, or you mistreat them. Like nobody don't love them or nothing.
You don't love me no more. What's up? Man, since we kicked it. 450. 450. Or we can switch to micros, baby. Alright, let's throw on 10. 10 micros. Ten micros is one mini, right? Yeah. 10 micros, one mini.
Oh, dude. Come on, NQ. Figure it out, dude. Either go down or go up, man. Just figure it out. God damn.
Yeah. Mm.
Honestly, if I was a bear, my feelings would be hurt. You can't even be a bear. Like, look at this.
A real bear,
You only
yeah.
got like one good move. One good bear move. That's all bears got. And they're still trying to sell it.
The 4
They're still
hourly
trying to sell it.
suggests. The 4 hourly suggests. So that's probably
Well, yeah, it could suggest that, but the momentum is obviously bullish. So I mean, it's looking like this could get sold, but the momentum is bullish. Like I feel like maybe it's and then SPY just recovered a little bit too. Man, you can't be no bear in these bull streets, baby.
these bull streets. Man, what did I say this morning before stream and at the beginning? I said I feel like you know, at least until in the beginning, this mess wants to go down. And although it's not, like you said, it's not much. Don't get it twisted. This is not much. We're only down 70 points right now on the day. But if I had to look at an area, oh dang, maybe. Yeah, I don't want to, because I think I did that on a couple accounts ago, and it came back and
What's
bit
that?
me and shorted down here. I'm not shorting down here. I don't care. Obviously, if it flushes the toilet, I'll probably FOMO in. That's just how that works. It's only it's only logic.
Yeah. Okay. All right, NQ. I'm getting kind of tired of this foolishness. Figure it out.
Hey, y'all let me know if Top Step gives out any free resets. Or have they stopped doing that?
They probably ain't gonna give out free reset for a while. They just dropped a free reset for their 100th episode last week, and I think they're going to release it sometime this week. So I think the next reset they're gonna probably do is a bell to bell, where you gotta be in the stream the entire
All
day.
day? Yeah, bump that. Nobody want to sit there listening to them all day, watch them lose money. And you know, Hogue, he's super conservative. He'd be too scared to get in anything. And every time I turn it on, he's in a position, but he's down on ES, and I'm just like, dang. And of course, MP, we know that story. That dude,
he's a gambler, dude.
That
He's
dude
definitely a gambler.
Rarely ever up.
Yeah, so I highly doubt that they'll come out with a reset anytime soon, unless they're gonna drop a reset to go along with whatever they're announcing whenever they announce it.
A woman called Anne.
You know, this is the worst position. But I will say this position is teaching me a lesson. It hurts every time it bounces off my break even. I ain't gonna lie, man. It hurts. It definitely hurts. I guess the one thing I should focus on is taking my target. Stop being so damn stubborn. Or if I'm not going to take my target, at least trail it when it gets close. Because yeah, at this point, the amount of time I put in this position, the amount of time to hit my break even, yeah, it wasn't even worth it. But then I feel like if I adopt this mindset where it's like, fine, I'll take the profit, something like yesterday is going to happen where it just runs. And then my target is, yeah. And I have to find another position. I think the main reason why I don't like taking targets is I just hate trying to have them find a re-entry. I think that's a lot of people's problem. You got to trying to find your way back in the trade without trying to FOMO into it, even though you're trying to FOMO back into the trade. So yeah, that's something that I will focus on, will work on, trying to improve. Are we going to get a break here? It looks like it's about to break.
It's gonna be like freaking yesterday. I mean, my goodness. What are we doing 4 hourly? You just giving people hope to go back down lower?
I mean, dude, I don't know, man. Like, if we go down lower before FOMC, before Apple, Amazon, and Meta,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, man. That would just be a dead giveaway. If we're going down, then that means that we're going
Those
to get good
events,
news. And
yeah, those events gonna
yeah,
pump it up. Yeah.
that's how it usually happens.
Yeah.
But at this time, people are. I mean, it's kind of risky. It's like you want to have a piece on it so you don't try to FOMO into it. But right now, everybody's thinking that the Fed is going to cut rates. That's the consensus right now. I think that's why they're holding these levels strong, just in case we get a run up like we did the last time.
My
That run up all the way to
personal
17K.
my personal opinion, I think they're just gonna still hold it. I don't think they're gonna cut it. I think they're gonna hold at least one last time, maybe cut next month or whatever.
We'll see, man. Honestly, like I said, I don't try to interpret market news because once I think I've told you about this SPY position that like when it was a news event, I was holding a SPY 0 DTE overnight
Yeah.
or one day, then obviously on the day it'll be a 0 DTE,
Yeah.
and we got some news. I mean, the market was just trending down, and everybody was like, "Man, this news is gonna be." But this is when all this stuff first started happening, and everybody was speculating that, "Oh man, is inflation going higher? Do we have to pay for all this free money that the government gave to everybody else because of COVID or whatever?" And I was like, you know what? Everybody talking about it going down. I'm gonna reverse this and just buy a long position. Now the news was negative, like everybody said it was gonna be, but then the market pumped. You know, and I woke up with being up 1K, and in options that's a lot of money. In options, 1K is a lot of money unless you're putting on heavy size. But anyway, at that very moment, I was like, you know what? I ain't even trying to interpret this news because obviously you go to Reddit, you go to all the forums, they're talking about how the hell did it pump? The market is so manipulated, blah, 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 blah. The news was negative. And I was thinking the same thing too. I mean, I was glad I won and everybody else lost. I was glad about that. You know, I won. But at the same time, it was a gamble. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was just inversing everybody else. And I was like, and I won. So I was thinking, if news is going to be opposite and I have to interpret the news and determine how the market is going to react to it, I was like, dude, it's just easier to just trade how the market reacts to it. Apparently, they know something I don't. So just let them know it. And I'm just going to, whatever direction it goes, that's how I'm going to trade. And ever since then, that's just how I've always looked at it.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's like that one saying when everybody's one way, you inverse them, then usually the masses are wrong, right? They usually got it wrong, at least in the moment. Like you said, did you take your profit? Did you close out? Okay, good.
Of course. I mean, obviously, I lost that. I mean, you know how it goes when you win, when you gamble.
Yeah.
You win it and you lose it in another gamble.
Yeah.
Because I thought, because I remember the follow-up position. SPY jumped up from 409, or I think it was like 409. Yeah, 409. And then it jumped up to, no. Was it 4 or was that 3? Anyway, it was 4. It was 4. So, because that was during the time when price went from 480 and it was downtrending all the way down to 350. It was during that time frame. And so I thought everybody was right after that. I was like, damn, it just jumped up like this. Oh, they definitely going to short it. So, I threw that back into the market and shorted it after that. I lost. So, because the market continued to pump. I think SPY moved up about like $10 that day. And, I tried to short it. Short bullish momentum. I didn't know no better. So I made the money initially and I lost it.
Yeah. 216 at 42.
All right, man. I'm about over it, this position right now. I'm over it. I'm over it. Like, price is literally just floating right now.
Let me check CL out real quick. Damn, CL, dang, baby. You had that second leg up. That was at 9:30.
Yeah, I'm gonna start trading CL until
Damn.
NQ get her act together.
Damn, CL. Let's push this up real quick to right
Dude,
there.
where's the NQ? Like, dude, what are you doing? Just take a damn action, dude. God dang. If you're just gonna go down, just go down. Stop me out if that's what you want to do.
And
Alright, let me look at my baby real quick. Yeah, NQ. I'm seeing CL now. She's my main chick right now. She's the main. So I think this can get to probably like 78-ish on CL.
CL. What you want to get to today, CL? You trying to go back to 79? 80? What's pushing CL news right now? Or what news is pushing CL? Dang.
Probably because NQ is going down. But I think I don't know if those containers in the Red Sea, if that's what's causing it, because they keep getting attacked. I mean, there's a lot of things happening in the Middle East right now, so that could be it. Who knows, man? Who knows? It seems like no, I'm not gonna say that. Keep my mouth shut about that.
Yeah, that move yesterday was super nice, but I wasn't a part of it at all. I looked at my phone. I was like, what the what the F is this? NQ? It messes up like 50 points. And then kept pushing. I was like, God, man.
Yeah, kept pushing.
NQ, you freaking jerk. Every time I'm focused on, like I said, I think I mentioned this the other day. When I'm focused on one, I focus on one part, one market, one product. The other just rips in one direction. And then when I'm focused, like if I'm looking at NQ struggling, and I'm not looking at CL, she pumps up 1,000,000 points. Then I look at NQ, she ain't doing, or CL ain't doing nothing, and then NQ's making all the moves.
Mm-hmm.
They gonna try to
or this is a classic. You want to be short, and so you try to force a short trade on NQ, and EL is the one that's really going short, and NQ is going long, and vice versa.
Right. That's I'm looking at CL now on TradingView. I'm like, dang, is this a short like a small short opportunity before it pumps back up?
No. No, you don't ever. That's not how CL
40,
works.
77.
That is not how
45.
CL works. You short CL at supply, and you buy her at demand. You do anything in between, you will become liquidity with CL. So you don't.
Well, yeah, you can't get in between. Yeah, that's definitely true. But they just rejected basically 78 almost. Yeah, NQ, I don't got time for you right now. I don't got time for this.
Yeah, it looks like she wants to break out on either side. This is like a triangle right now. Whichever side it breaks out of is the side it breaks out of. So.
Yeah, this. Ugh. Look at these wicks on the 5-minute. Just nasty work. Muhammad, we taking this long, baby? We taking this long right here, baby? For the breakout? Oh, I'm talking about it. I need to be about it. Be about it. Be about it.
So you already know I'm in this long. I was in this long since this morning. I should have been got out of this damn thing, but
You still long
that's what
from
makes me
30?
angry because,
You still long at 30, 31, 32?
man, you know how many times this thing hit my damn break even?
Dang, this man sure been in the trade for like 5 hours.
Yeah. I feel like Mr. Meesky right now. I'm not supposed to be in a trade this long.
Oh, I'm talking about it. I need to be about it. I mean, at least I could have caught a little scout right there. Could have caught a scout. You ain't gonna give us a
I literally
scout?
been in this trade for an hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's like pre-market. That's pre-market stuff right there. Turtle soup. I don't know, man. You might need
Nah,
turtle
I
soup,
don't
salad,
think
whatever. I don't know. Whatever terms you
Nah,
want
that's
to
not no
make
break.
up. Turtle soup. Moxie. I thought you weren't good at scalping, Moxie. But yeah, this is scalp territory right here. You ain't getting no big moves. Last big move down was this here. I mean, if you want to call that big, quote unquote, big move. Then we had this move up. This move down. Yeah. ICT is Shredder. He be telling. He said he blew his account because he didn't want.
Man, shut up, dude. Shut up.
I
Shut
know.
up.
I'm just saying.
ITT. Shut
I'm just
up.
relaying the
I'm not
message.
talking to you.
I'm
I'm just like, dude, I just hear his voice coming through. Like, dude, shut the fuck up, dude. I blew my account because I don't want nobody following my
I don't want nobody copying my trades and profiting off of me. What?
Shut the fuck up.
What?
You just blew your account, dude. Just like, dude, just say that shit. You blew your account. God, shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I blew my
I mean, I get it.
accounts.
When you got a cold following, you mean when you ain't supposed to lose. You're not
That's-
supposed to lose when you got a
That's
cold
crazy
following.
though. Losing is a part of the game. It happens.
It's a part of the game, man. It
don't-
does.
We don't want it to be, but that mess happens. Can't win every time.
Yeah.
And to make people think that you winning every time is an injustice.
Yeah.
Well, to them
Definitely.
that don't know them better. Yeah, he got that image and rep, but have y'all seen him and Patrick on Twitter going at it? That's like the funniest. That's like pure top tier trading entertainment.
Next to us, baby. Next to us, baby.
Yeah.
But yeah, Matt, trades by Matt is actually, he's number one right now. So he's actually doing pretty good. He's the only one that's in it right now. Everybody else is talking about it, but he's winning. You can tell that he was kind of, what's the correct term I want to use? He was a bit cautious because he knew that if, he got blown out without even starting that, yeah, you can't be crazy by Matt and blowing the Roberts Cup, but he's doing really good, man. Even though he was kind of timid. That was the word I was looking for.
Yeah.
He was timid at first, but I guess that timidness really motivated him to really take good trades. And right now, he's number one right now. So congratulations to him. But Patrick and ICT, I can't trade. They talking about doing it instead of just doing it.
I can't see. Yeah.
Yeah, when we get to that level, like maybe 1 or 2 years in the game, I'm gonna join that. I'm gonna do it.
We could track it. We could track their progress, though, right? They got leaderboards or something. Let me see.
Yeah, it's like a leaderboard, and I think there's a third party that tracks the individual account and makes it public, so you can't switch accounts and be like, "Oh yeah, I lost all my money and got it back off stream."
Yeah.
That one, that line.
Cut it back off stream.
I mean, we've done it. I mean, shoot.
Yeah, I have done it.
I've done
It's
We do
doable.
It's doable, but 9 times out of 10, if you got your money back off stream, you know how you traded. You know you went full port. We know. And it was a do or die trade. So we know it.
Do or die, baby. Do
Don't
or
act
die,
like
bed
you went behind
style.
the scenes. And it took strategic trades. Nah, baby, he went full port and hope that it hit. So, don't try to be misleading.
Do or die, bed style, baby.
We're gonna do it or we die, baby. That's it. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Mr. ICT, if he joins,
I
and
can't
doesn't
trade.
win.
Talk about that.
I mean,
like
his cult following is going to be. They're going to.
He gonna make up
justify it
some.
somewhere in their
He's
mind.
gonna make up some excuse that, he's gonna make up some excuse to be like, yeah, that was it. I tricked everybody. Haha, you can't copy my trades. If you do, you'd have got blown up. Just like I blew it up on purpose. All that talk. It's
Dude,
like,
I can't believe
man,
he's actually put that out there on the internet and people eating it up. Oh,
it's crazy.
our Lord
ain't
and
it?
Savior blew his account for my sake. He
For
blew
my-
his account for my sake.
For my sake. Yo, that's wild. That's
outta here.
crazy. He said, "My
Get
Lord and
outta here,
Savior
man.
blew his account for my sake." That's wild.
He's teaching me a lesson. He wants me not to follow his trends. He wants me to know it myself. Get the fuck on out of here, dude. You know exactly. You blew that damn account. You touched your own little fair value gaps. Now, like, dude, like I said before, man. He just popularized just certain names. He just gave things that has always been in the market and gave it cool names for people to understand it. That's all he did. Because like when I found out about him and looking at the stuff that he was teaching, I was like, dude, the mentor that I learned from was saying the same thing.
Yeah.
The same shit. It's not nothing different. A fair value gap. The person that I learned from called it a trading range. It's the same thing. A fair value gap and a trading range. Which sounds more? A trading range to me sounds more like I can understand that. Okay, this area right here is where a lot of transactions, where a lot of participants traded in this area. So it's a trading range. You call it a fair value gap. That takes away the meaning, in my opinion. It's like, oh, this is where there's fair value. If you buy or sell it here, there's fair value here. What does that really mean? But like I said, I digress, man. I blew my account for those copying my trades. Get out of here, dude. We know what the hell that is.
That's what he said. That's what the man
We
said.
know what that is. I mean, I got an ego too. I hate when I'm wrong. I hate it. And initially, my ego tries to make up excuses. I just tell my ego, no, I was fucking wrong. I hate it. So, I mean, it's just like that saying where it's like it takes one to know one. People with big egos. I got a big ego, but at the same time, I understood a long time ago that your ego will hold you back if you don't check it sometimes. Like, it will hold you back.
Got a big ego. Ha ha ha. She love my big ego.
I swear the NQ is toxic. I swear. I stepped away from my screen. I got a target. I scaled in one contract. I put it at 653 at the top of this range. She got to what, 51? Dude, NQ, why do you do these things to me?
Why does she do these things to us?
Why does she do this? Why couldn't she just hit that target?
Why does she just fake us out like that?
Why did she not? Dude, that was the top of this range, dude. Come on. You could have hit that.
Yeah, I'm over here thinking I'm catching a breakout, and she wanna sell off it.
I don't think this is a sell-off because technically we're still in an uptrend. But I don't think that we're just not going to get that move we're looking for, at least right now, until she breaks out of this range. Until she does that, I mean, we're going to consolidate in this area right here.
I'm going for the gamble. I do want it to get back to the top of this range. I will not lie. I am going for the gamble. Going for the gamble. Actually, I should have. That's only gonna hurt me more if I don't take the profit, though. That's what I hate about. I gotta get over that hump.
Yeah.
So this mess could stop trailing live.
Yeah, kind of like what I did. I crossed over to Sterling. I showed him blew it. Heck, goddamn Apex. I just wanted more money, goddamn. I don't think that was even wrong. I just wanted more money, goddamn. Wanted more.
I didn't think that was wrong.
I just wanted more money. I think you could have did that, but no. Yeah, man, dude. Like once you get trapped on the wrong side of trailing drawdown, it's basically a wrap. That's or at least in my sake, because man, that trailing drawdown. It seems like when you're on the wrong side of trailing drawdown, man, that should be at 3K. At like you can lose what 3 points, man. You just lost 3K of damn profits, or you're in 3K in drawdown, but it goes up 3 points, and you're only $500 up. That's how it seems like.
Yeah.
Not like
I think I'm
took
gonna.
my punk and she took it.
I think I'm gonna be done. I think I'm gonna be done here. I don't want to push the luck. I wanted to go. I wanted to go for it. I feel like it's breaking out, or it's trying to break out.
Yeah, it's trying. It's
Trying to
definitely trying.
break
We probably
out.
might get what we got yesterday. We might get a end of day because you got to think if the Bulls is holding this area because it's not a downtrend until we break that low. Where was that low at? Until we break that low at and close under it at 617, we're technically the structure is still in an uptrend. Or actually, I apologize. That low at 616 basically. Until we break that low, we're still in an uptrend. But it just seems like it's just going to chop because above this is nothing but bear stops. And if they're not going to break this low, well, the only way this market can go is up. And everybody becomes a buyer. Bears become buyers and bulls become buyers. Everybody's buying, baby.
Bears unfortunately become buyers, but not by their choice. Not by choice. They like, dang. Gained weight. You know, gain weight's his ultimate target is to the moon.
19K.
Yeah, to the freaking moon.
It must be nice being able to swing an account like that, dude. It must be nice.
I know, man. Gosh.
You're looking at game weight account, it's like, dude, how can we get that money from him or her? How can we get that money? How? Keeping the brokers up at night. Like, damn it, that money should be in our bank account. That should be in ours.
Keeping the brokers up at night.
The brokers be up at night. Rubbing their hands like Birdman looking out the window. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely gonna get this price action until Friday probably. And that's when we're gonna probably get the real move. Or actually until FOMC, the decision, and then the real move.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if they hold it here. Technically at the top of this range right here at 643. 643 is the top of this new trading range right here. It looks like they bought off of it. Looks like they're trying to buy off of it.
Bulls, we can see VWAP. It's the promised land is right there. We can see VWAP. Take us to the promised land of VWAP. We see it. Here y'all go. Wanting to switch it up. Alright, let me check. 4 hourly. 4 hours still in bear territory, but the hourly looks like it wants to pump it up.
Yeah, they're finding support off this at the top of this range. Finding support.
Stick the bottom right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna target VWAP at 666.
Point of control though is in the way on here at 650. Point of control they're like, we don't really want to take it above point of control right now because we're acting kind of scared. Stop acting scared, bulls, and get highly regarded. Dang it, CL. I knew I could have took that quick short, and then, dang, see what the freak? What the CL? Stop it!
Hold on, what are you talking about?
Stop it, CL!
What are you talking about? A quick short? What are you talking about?
Back here when I first mentioned it at 10:20.
Shoot.
Look at the pump.
Quick short.
Yeah,
Dude, I'd rather trade the pump. I was like, dude, what are you talking about? A short. Dude, that was profit taking.
That was a good short to get in and then get in on the other side on the pump. That was about a 34, 35 cent move. All right,
$100 on one contract.
All right, see, you know I'd have been full port, baby. Well, maybe not full. I'd have probably been half. I'd have probably been half, real talk. All right, CL's starting to kind of pull back, so NQ, you can go up now. You can go up now.
The CL pull back so the NQ can run.
NQ faking and baking. NQ been
in
faking
this low
since
volume
day
environment,
one.
she needs all the stops she can get.
NQ said, I've been faking since day one, baby. Faking since day one.
Yeah, you know you're an addict when you can't even take a break from trading NQ because it's low volume. But that ain't no excuse. Trading, baby. That's why we're here at NASDAQ Anonymous. Even if there was only 3 people in the market, we still trading it, baby. We going full port, baby.
3 people?
Still trading.
That would be crazy. Like, dang, we just sitting there exchanging money from each other.
Well, I want to go short and you want to go long, so.
It rejected the 200.
Yeah, I kind of figured it would.
Dang, they don't want to.
Y'all
don't want to take it to VWAP. It's right there, baby. It's in sight. It's in sight. Come on, Tesla.
No, I don't know. You can't call Tesla. They talk about taking Tesla out of the Magnificent Seven. Out the 7. They talking about it ain't a part of the 7 no more. I mean, they said the same thing about Meta, and you see how much Meta has recovered.
Meta hitting all-time highs and stuff. Man, if I had the capital, I wanted to buy when it was sub 100. Oh, I remember that. I wanted to buy so many shares at sub 100, and I didn't have the capital back then to execute. Come on, ES. What's ES doing? Take us there, ES.
I just bought the calls, baby. Because I was like, dude, even though Mark Zuckerberg lied to his shareholders talking about he's going to step down as the CEO, he's still there. So, probably, psych. Y'all thought?
I'll step down. Guys. I'm not giving up my power. You fools.
Psych.
Come on, ES, take us there. Take us there, baby. Help take us there, ES.
I was actually going to give up Facebook and Instagram. I really thought that. I think, doesn't he own like WhatsApp as well?
Yep. Facebook, Instagram,
he
WhatsApp.
Still can't even beat TikTok, man. That's crazy. He got the most powerful apps, and they still can't stand up to TikTok. Crazy.
Fudge. Fruitcakes. Come on, NQ. That means CL must be rising to the top.
Yeah, it is. CL. Dude, I really want to get back to only just focusing on CL. To the good old days where CL, when I had to give up on the NQ, CL was there for me. Talking about, I didn't blow as many accounts. I barely even blew accounts credit CL. But something about the NQ was just so magical. Remember that first day I went back into the NQ and I called you and I was like, yeah, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby.
Yeah.
I finally was able to go back to the NQ. All right.
Fake outs, man. These fake outs is reckless. That was a good short. Course, good short. Yeah, you sticking. I mean, you know, you sticking to the right side, definitely. I just wanted to see a breakout and go to VWAP and then get rejected, but of course she doesn't have to do that. She can do whatever she wants to do. That's all I wanted to see. That's all I wanted to see. Is it wrong for me to want to see that? I just want you to
Apparently,
play
if
out
the
like
NQ
that.
doesn't want to, apparently. But like, man, this structure it's classic stair step. Classic stair step higher. But the low volume just makes it so deceiving.
Mm.
I guess if everybody knows how to trade the market, the next level is to slow it down and to speed it up. Slow it down and speed it up.
Damn, CL. You bastard. CL's about to push 78. What happened to the good times where they were both going up? What happened to those good times when shoot. Shoot. I really Meta, Apple. Really, I mean, look at all these orders above point of control. I mean, if they rip that, oh my gosh, it's smooth sailing to the top, baby. If they rip that, all them stops up there, all them stops gonna get ran. All them, if they break that, oh my gosh, all them stops gonna get ran. It's gonna be.
Dang. I'm surprised there's still bears, dude.
It's gonna be stop, run, city. If they rip up, if they break that.
Everybody becomes buyers, baby. Everybody becomes buyers.
Everybody become a buyer. Even though the Bears don't want to. We're gonna force you.
Oh, those bulls maybe become a buyer.
Everybody.
Yeah, I like to look for areas where everybody's going to be a buyer. Everybody. If I want to be a buyer, everybody's going to be a buyer at this level. Everybody's going to be a seller at this level. Even the people that don't want to be.
And I'm just saying, run them stops, baby. Give me that stop run. The stairway to heaven. Stop run it up. Elevator, actually. It's an elevator up.
What?
Bing. Top floor incoming. Bing.
You know what? I think it might do it. It might actually get. Let me move this down a little bit because I think they're gonna play around. They're gonna play around with VWAP. They're gonna play around with it. Yeah, that's getting ran, dude. Y'all buyers better get the hell out of the way. Y'all see price coming. I'm sorry. Y'all sellers better get the hell out of the way. Y'all see price coming. Y'all see her coming. I mean, this is a good area to get short. I mean,
CO.
I see why they're shorting this area. It is a great area to go short. They're
CO
shorting
broke.
the second leg of that move down. No, I'm talking about in Q.
No,
they're shorting the second leg of this move down.
Yeah, I'm just putting that out there. CL broke 78, and then they kind of sold off. They sold off a little bit.
Yeah, CL does not play around, dude. She is not the NQ. I always have to remind myself, she is not the NQ. She will tap into supply and drop. She's not going 10, 15 points into supply. She'll go a couple of cents and drop. You can really keep a tight stop. You can really keep a 9, 18-cent stop on CL at supply and demand and be good. Because she does not overshoot. And if she hits your stop, you're wrong. I mean, you can't. She's clear as day. You're just wrong if she hits your stop. But she just moves slow and is only $10 per point, or per cent. So it's not. There's no excitement and then there's no real emotional payout once it hits your target. It's like, oh, it took 5 hours, but it hit my 90-cent target. And I only got $900 for my my time.
It took 5 hours. That's like going to work for a full day's work and getting that pay for that. Okay, I need what, $200 and drawdown back. Gee, God. Point of control is being vicious right now. I said y'all gotta break it. You break above it, it's stop run city if you break above it. Come on, buyers.
Bastard, making us wait. Making us wait. All right, man. I mean, my position's still good. Even though I scaled in, took some profits off, I'm good. It's just that I should have been got out of this position a long time ago. I realize that now, after the fact. After the adrenaline comes down, I realize that. I should have been got out of this.
Dang, they are really trying to hold this right now, though. They're trying to hold 650.
I mean, it's a good area to get short, dude. This is a great area to get short. I mean, I don't blame them. Great.
I blame them. I blame them. Buy. Hit the buy button, everybody. Dang. Buy. You in a live account? Buy. Buy. Buy, buy, buy. Turn those machines back on. And hit that buy button.
That power is gonna just say power. Say pump it power. That's the code word.
Pump it power.
Buy it.
Powell's cutting rates. Buy. Watch this thing shoot up. Rocket up to 800. I don't know if I should play around with this, though. I mean, everybody hit the dang buy button. Buy it up. Dang. Stop playing with your boy. Damn, did it really? What did we just get to just now? We've only been up. Okay, this is 7. Oh, y'all playing games, not getting this up above right here. Y'all playing games right now. ES been stuck in the same position for like 30 minutes now.
Dude, like I said, I feel bad for y'all ES players, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, dude.
Come on, ES. Come on, everybody.
How much has it gone up in the day, from bottom to top? How much has it gone up?
I don't know. ES is ES is only up 50 cents right now on the day. It is just flat when I looked at it.
Dude.
Yes.
No way.
25 cents.
No way, dude.
It's flat right now. Yes. It's right at break even on the day. Yes.
No way, dude.
Yes.
No way.
Yep. Yes way. It's flat right now.
Trade. Yeah.
49.54.50. 49.54.50 is break even for ES.
Wow.
49.54.50.
Bitcoin is up $200 today. Surprising.
Damn you, ES. Damn you, ES. ES got to carry us right now, actually, because my goodness, NQ slacking in its normal moves. ES, we need you to carry us to VWAP, bro.
Well, like I said, like you said, it has to break this. Once it's a clean push over 50, possibly 55 at this high, because that's what the bears are. You see that aggressive selling at 55. You get it over 55, oh yeah, I'm stock getting ran, baby. It's getting ran. If it closes over 55, it can just wick up and just wick all the way back down. The bears like, nah, my kid's life savings in this position, baby. This needs to go down.
I see what happened. Muhammad shorted 650 and pushed price down. Dang you, Muhammad!
Oh, so it's Muhammad's fault. The market maker. Okay.
Yeah, now I see what just happened off that candle. He's like, oh, 650? Boom. Instantly went down. Oh, Muhammad.
Is Muhammad our FBI agent? But our market maker?
He's our secret agent in the chat, spying on the stream.
Are these like these guys think they can just call out level?
Oh, what the?
They knocked it back down, didn't they?
Yes, they did. Right off of 650 again.
Dude, this is a great level to get short, man. It's a great level to get short, but the Bulls are definitely buying this up. You can see the Bears are aggressively trying to protect their position right now. Aggressively protected.
Bro, I'm just, you know what? That's crazy. That's crazy right there. That's crazy talk. I'm just trying to give me my targets so I can be done with this. And I didn't lose.
Don't give up, baby.
I think I'm about to give up. I think I'm about to give up.
Don't give up.
I didn't lose too much drawdown. I think I'm about to give up, y'all.
Oh no, that's give up tarp. No.
It is. I'm saying it. I'm about to give up. I'm about to give up on this. I'm about to give up on this position. I thought we were gonna rip. This thing playing games got knocked down off a point of control. I'm about to give up. I'm about to give up.
Don't give up, baby.
Nah.
Keep hope alive. Don't give up.
I'm about to give up. I'm giving this up. I know, and I know. Dang it. All that work. Yeah, I should have, as soon as he said that, I should have, about to give up. I should have gave up. No. Oh, no. Hold on, Bulls, y'all need to come in. Oh, shoot. Did they just get stop ran? Oh, you know what? That is true. You sell on earnings day. You exit your positions before the actual earnings. Bull crap. Bunch of it's a bunch of crap. I gave up. You better continue to freak down too. Dang. That's all y'all had to do was break that. And y'all couldn't even do that. Stupid Bulls. You Bulls suck. You Bulls suck. You gonna long now that I exited? F it, I'll get back in full port. No. Oh, shoot. Oh, look at that. You know better. You know you gotta take your profits, man. This is nuts. Nuts. Absolutely tragic right there. I didn't even look at YM.
What's happening with YM? What's happening with the Dow?
I mean, it's up like.
And is the Dow moving? I wouldn't be surprised.
The Dow is moving. The Dow is up.
That's interesting. You hear that, NQ? The Dow is moving more than you. You hear that? Well, I mean, it does. Yeah, well, the Dow kind of moves more than everybody. Let me take that back.
That is so lame.
That thing is $5 a point for a reason. If it was any more, nobody would be able to trade that thing and survive.
That is so lame. That is so lame, though. Oh my gosh, that is so lame. And I lost all of that freaking DD. And I know better, but I'm just
And I gotta get bought right back up.
What you think, CL? You think CL is gonna shoot up to 79? Come on, CL.
I would wait for a reentry, or I apologize. I would wait for a retest of 744, somewhere in that area. I'm not looking at the CL chart right now because I know if I change the chart, then NQ going to do something I don't want her to do. So, I would look honestly. This actually might be a no. That would be a scalp. If you try to get in long now, that would be a scalp, a retest at a high. It's not even worth it. I would wait for a retest of 44, possibly scale in at 35. If that happens, put your stop at 26 point stop, 20-cent stop. 2 contracts is only $500. Yeah, that's what I would do.
You know what? Well, I'm about to be done, and then I'm gonna be watching the market though, like a freaking hawk, and then see if we can get any lunchtime pushes in any direction. That's
they're about to come in after lunch.
Frustrating.
Let's see what they do after lunch. Let's see if they run this up like they always do on the NQ.
Yeah.
Because I don't think it's going to break this double bottom unless it does. But it's highly unlikely.
NQ, you were supposed to break out. You know you were supposed to break out right there and run all their stops, but you didn't. You chose to be an a-hole. And now I gotta get my revenge on you. Gots to get my revenge. Huh. Dang, I knew I should have stopped. I told myself to stop, but I ain't listened to myself. Mother. Damn, why is it? I mean, I get it. I know. I'm just frustrated at this market. This mess has literally been in this range for all freaking day. All freaking session. And that's just frustrating. I don't want to catch scalps. We want big moves, baby. But I should have stuck with my original I should have stuck with my original bias for the day and found a good position up top to short this thing. Didn't do that either. And now watch a lunchtime push. Because they have been holding this here. Matter of fact, let me see what. Yeah, there's literally nothing else. Nothing else.
Yeah, looks like they're buying it back up. Out this demand zone.
I don't trust it though. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in this.
You don't?
Nah, I don't. I think they're gonna make another push down. I think they faking out the.
I mean,
the bulls.
You can look. I mean, what I'm saying is, obviously the Bears got their pushes here and there, scalps here and there, but the Bears have yet to get a good, decent move down. Yet to make a good move down. Like I said, the biggest short was at this bottom of this range that I called this morning, but I just didn't trust it. I was like, man, I felt that they was going to reject it, but then it's going to get bought back up, and I didn't trust it. But that's the biggest one that they got, the bottom of that range at 666 or 667. And then it tested this demand, and ever since then, the Bears can't even really get a push down for real, where they're not able to push it down. We're still in an upwards channel. The Bears have to take it past 625 and ultimately 617. They're having a hard time doing that. They're getting stopped at 30. at the level I called this morning, that top of that trading range. They're having a hard time getting it past there. So based on all that, even though we're getting all this bearish push down, the bears aren't following through, and the bulls are coming back and aggressively buying it up. So that's why I'm confident in my long, even though I've been in it for 2 hours now.
Well, good
And
luck
this
with
is
your
why I
long.
counter trend trade. This is why I counter trend trade, because being 2 hours in a trade is not something that I like doing.
Good luck, everybody. Yeah, I'm about to call it here. I'm gonna watch though. I'm gonna keep my eye out and watch this, but I'm about to call it here. It's so frustrating. That's so frustrating, but we'll take it. Probably take it in here. I mean, look. Yeah. Yep. I got nothing.
Yeah, the only thing I got is that we're testing the top of this range. We've double bottomed at the top of this range, so the bears will have to do a lot of work to short through all that, and have to do a lot of work. So just be mindful, trade safe out there, and that's all I got for right now. If I see anything, I will definitely talk about it in the daily recap for the night. If I see anything new, and yeah, that's all I have.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all joining. Like I said, more Apex accounts. I'm gonna wait for a 1 day pass deal again. Probably gonna be another 80 1 day. I'm gonna do that again. Try to stack up some accounts. Trying to stack up some take profit accounts, Top Step, all of that. I want to get stacked, racked and stacked. But all right, y'all. That's the plan. That's the strategy. I can't believe I gave all that back, but I can. It's the NQ. But yeah, that's all I got. Peace, everybody. I'm gonna be watching this. Be watching. Not gonna make the mistake like yesterday, missing out on that move at the end of the day. Later, everyone. Trade safe. If you still gonna trade this nonsense. Later.
Okay.